Hey up, welcome to this week's video. As you can see, I'm not out in the field, so it's going to be a little bit different this week. Work's just going the way and I've not been able to get out of my camera. But it's got me thinking. I've got a hard drive absolutely full of videos, and I've also got quite a few videos on YouTube that I've never shared with you guys. I've only ever posted them privately for friends and family. One springs to mind in particular. As you'll see, it's a sunrise shoot in North Wales, and I think it's pretty special. And the images I've actually had quite a bit of success with. I managed to sell a few prints. And when I posted them on social media, I've had quite a lot of favourable comments. So yeah, I'd like to share them with you. But before I do, I'd just like to mention I've got a workshop planned for the new year for February 2024. It's in conjunction with Dave Peck Photography. We're going to be up in the Yorkshire Dales. It's a couple of nights in a luxurious bed and breakfast with us guys showing you around some of the greatest hits of the Yorkshire Dales and perhaps some of the hidden secrets. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, check out the link in the description below. Let us know if you're interested. So without further ado, here's this week's video. So it's just a short walk from the car to where I'm going to be capturing this image. It's a small lake called Llyn Nantl Uchaf, which probably isn't how you pronounce it, so I'll put the spelling down below. You can make your own decisions. That's how it's spelled, and being a broad Yorkshireman, I'm afraid that's how I'm going to have to spell it myself. So yeah, if I spin you around, you should be able to see the sun's coming up, and there's the lake. We've got some mist. Fantastic. You can't beat that, can you? And as you can see, there's the boats. Look at that mist. And there is, in perfect reflection, the Snowdon Horseshoe. Fantastic. Not a cloud in the sky, unfortunately. You know, it would be better if that sunrise was going to really kick off, but whoever gets perfect conditions, this will do for me. This will be worth the early start. Yeah, one happy camper. Yeah, fantastic. Gone vertical to start with, purely because I've realised we can just see the moon there. We've got the moon and Venus. Just looks fantastic. I just thought I'd add a little something extra. Not that this scene needs anything extra, but yeah, I thought I'd try that. As you can see, I'm at f11 ISO 100. I'm going at 1.3 seconds, and yeah, let's just see what that looks like. so that's it for this location. The sun has well and truly come up now. I was going to stick around to see if I could catch it, maybe get some star as it rose above Snowdon, but the wind's picked up. I've lost the reflections. I think you can see there in the water it's rippling quite a lot now, so I think it's time to move on. I think I got the best of the light, and that mist was absolutely fantastic, really made the scene. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully next week I'll be back to my normal self. I'll be out in the great outdoors, bumbling around, stumbling around, and capturing some images. So until then, I'll be seeing you then.